everyone. Welcome to Jnanam Gurukul channel. If you are visiting first time to our channel, please do like, subscribe and share our channel to get information gained. Picture this. Your hard-earned salary is finally credited to your bank account. You head to the ATM to withdraw funds for the month expense and find yourself as victim of ATM fraud. This, my friends, is chilling reality what happened to Jack, a regular guy like you and me. Like every month, Jack received his monthly salary and went to ATM to withdraw funds for his monthly expense. But this time, something different happened. As he walked out from ATM, ping of his phone signaled incoming message. Few more debit happened to his account. Transaction that he has not authorized, transaction that he did not know until now. Jack shared this alarming discovery to his daughter. His daughter with calm urgency immediately took her father's mobile to block her father's ATM card through the mobile banking app. She does not stop it there. She also requested the bank to block her father's account. Her finger was dancing over the phone screen in fury of action. But the question remained was whether Jack shared his ATM card details or PIN or OTP to anyone. Not shared anything to anyone, Jack insisted. His voice had mix of confusion and fear. His daughter's mind was racing whether could it be a case of ATM skimming. Together they returned to ATM. And there it was, a small, almost undetectable device near the card insert slot, a skimming device. With the heavy sigh, Jack's daughter explained the grim reality that someone stole Jack's ATM card information right from this ATM. Jack's heart sunk. He is now victim of ATM fraud. But they did not left setback defeated. Jack, shaken and determined, filed a complaint with his bank, launching an investigation to this incident. From this unsettling incident, we glimpse critical insight to be vigilant when using ATM and familiarize yourself with the signs of skimming device. Let's see the do and don't on ATM skimming fraud. Do. Before initiating any transactions in the ATM machines, ensure that skimming devices are not present. Skimming devices are hidden by fraudsters by overlapping them with the card insertion slot. Report the fraud to bank. Check your transaction history frequently to verify all transactions. Don't give your ATM card to anyone on the ATM premises to transact on your behalf. This kind of social engineering is being used to target senior citizens, semi-educated persons who have difficulty operating ATMs. Always monitor your bank transaction closely, and remember, if you ever find yourself in Jack's shoe, then act swiftly. Block your card. Secure your account. And report to your bank. Because in this digital age, it's not just about protecting money, it is safeguarding your peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please do share to your friends.